I'm having an issue with my 1996 Yamaha Virago XV750 where my front left turn signal is not working. They're normally on like a daytime running light. You can see the right one's working, left one's out. Right one flashes okay. Nothing out of the left front, but the left rear blinks, although twice as fast as normal. That tells me it's probably not the flasher or any electronics other than the bulb itself. The only tool you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. There are two small Phillips head screws on the front of the housing. Looking closer now, I can see there's actually some water inside. It started to come out when I undid the screws. Just a visual inspection of this can definitely confirm that that bulb is going to be bad. That is very corroded and it looks burnt. I don't know if you can tell because they're so corroded, but there's two more little Phillips head screws that I'm going to remove here. I've put a glove on in case it breaks, but I'm going to try to push it inwards and twist at the same time. I somehow managed to wrestle it out without breaking it, but what I did was push it in there while holding pressure on it, turned it a little bit counterclockwise, and then pulled it out. Hopefully you can see that. There's the part number. This is the new bulb I'll be replacing the old one with. That's the number right there. Notice here how the two different sides of the bulb are actually slightly different. One has this little knob closer to the connection point, and one has it further away. I want to orient the bulb so that the closer one is facing down when I put it in, and then I'm going to push it and twist gently to the right. I had to push it pretty hard, just be careful not to break it, and tilting it to where that closer knob was facing a little bit more forward. If you're having difficulty twisting the bulb into place, you can actually pull this entire subassembly outwards and kind of grab from both sides, which makes it easier. It would be wise to test it before you completely reassemble. And the daytime running light is lit. Let's see about the blinker. So initially, only one of the two filaments was actually working when I first put the new bulb in, and it was still blinking at greater than the normal rate. And so the reason for that was actually just that it wasn't making good contact. I just reseated it. There's two contacts in the back. Both have to be making good contact for it to function normally. So if you look closely, when just the daytime running light is on, one filament will be lit brightly, and then when you have the actual turn signal on, they should both be flashing together. There it is, functioning properly. Hopefully you can tell in the video, one filament actually stays lit all the time, and the other flashes only when the turn signal is on. And then when you have only the daytime running light on, you only get one filament fully lit. Also notice the rate of flashing is much more normal now. I'm gonna put this side with the round cutout towards the middle of the bike. And a final check. Here's the daytime running light on both. And the turn signal is full brightness and at the correct rate. There it is. Thank you for watching.